Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meli. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe and hit that little red button. You can also follow me on my social media down below. I have my Instagram, etc. down below if you guys want to follow me over there. So today I have a review of this new Tatcha powder. I was sent this by influencer. If you aren't on influencer, I don't know why you're not, because you basically do like quizzes and they send stuff to you for review purpose. So basically all I had to do was review it on their website and on Sephora, and you can just share your honest opinion of the product. So this is the powder right here, kind of the normal purple packaging from Tatcha that we've grown accustomed to. This is a pretty pricey powder. It's $48 for 20 grams or 0.7 ounces. And influencer actually sent me a little card with all the deets on here. So this is called the Silk Powder by Tatcha. It's a supposed protective setting powder. So it's talc free if that is important to you. It's a translucent setting powder and it's supposed to shield your skin from blue light. Blue light is that light from like any kind of screen, like TVs and computers and things like that, that have a harmful effect, especially on your vision, it said. It also says that it helps against pollution, it helps blur your pores and help your makeup last longer. It's supposed to set your makeup, blur the pores, shield from those, and it's supposed to give you a soft, radiant finish, and it has Japanese pearl powder. So it's supposed to give you like a healthy glow to your skin. It's actually what I set my skin with today. The shine that you're seeing here is my highlighter, but the shine that you see here on my forehead, that is from this powder. So I try to do a video of like half my face with this powder and half not. I'll try to post that around here somewhere so you guys can see that, so you kind of see the difference where I have it like on half of it and half or not, but it's very, very subtle difference. I feel like you mainly see this, the radiance and like the luminosity that it gives like in person when you see yourself in a mirror, compared to when you see like, you know, like a highlight that like really beams on your skin. So this little powder, when you take off the cap, you know, usually it either has like a mesh, it has like little holes in it. This one has, I don't know if you guys are gonna see that, but this one has their logo and it's raised a little bit, and then it has holes. So the powder actually comes out, I don't know if you guys are gonna see that on camera, but the powder comes out through the sides of these holes around here. So it is a little bit messy at times. It's, you know, any kind of powder basically with holes or any kind of, you know, depending on where you store it, is gonna have it come out. So I know that it came with a little white thing in the middle, and one of my friends on Instagram, she actually told me that she keeps it on there, so you could maybe do that where you keep it little my hair and put it back on if you don't want the powder to go everywhere. I didn't really think about that when I got it, so I took it off and threw it away. But I don't really mind. I don't feel like it makes excessive amount where it's like, oh, holy crap, it's gonna go everywhere. But that's just something to note. That is what the packaging, as far as the powder in here, I feel like it does give a radiance look to the skin. If you were to look in your, like at your skin with a magnifying mirror, you will see little particles, like little glitter particles, like little shimmer particles, which is what causes the radiance look on the skin. It's not huge chunks where you're gonna look like Edward Cullen, where it's gonna look just way too excessive. I feel like they did it in a way that is very subtle, where if you just looked at someone else in person, you wouldn't be able to tell. You know what I mean? Like, you're not gonna be able to be like, damn, what the hell's on her face? But if you do take like one of these mirrors, which is like a magnifying mirror, I can see the little bits and particles of the shimmers in there. So that is something to note. If that's something that bothers you or you're not a fan of, then you might not be a fan of this powder. I do feel like this powder could be used with someone who has like more mature dry skin, or even someone with oily skin, because even though it gives like a little radiance to your skin, it still mattifies and like stays there. So I feel like the powder itself mattifies your skin, but then it has the little radiant particles in there to give the radiance to your skin, if that makes any sense. Hopefully it did. But basically that is all. Those are my thoughts on it. I feel like this is a good powder. I didn't feel like it made my foundation last any more longer than any other powder that I have. It does do its job as far as like setting your makeup. I feel like it does give that radiance to the skin itself because of the little reflexes that are in there. It's going to reflect against the light and kind of give you like more of a youthful glow. If that's something that you're into, then you might want to pick this up. If that's not your cup of tea, then obviously stay away from this. But I do feel like overall it is a really nice powder. It is pricey, so that is something to take into consideration depending on what you're looking for. But it is very nice, soft, silky, and it is talc free, and it gives that radiance to the skin. So I'm glad that I got it for free from influencer to really test out. And I feel like over time, after you basically like keep using a powder, you know, like, damn, I can't live without this powder, or I can live without it. So I can't fully 100% tell you guys like you need to buy this. If it is something that you're curious, pick it up, maybe keep your receipt, and if you don't like it, return it. And if you don't think like it's worth the money. But I do feel like it is a beautiful powder, and the finish that it gives the skin is very beautiful. So I do really enjoy that, just because I feel like as we mature and become older, you want that radiance to bounce off your skin and to look really nice. Like you want those light reflecting properties to really help brighten and kind of deflect some of those wrinkles and stuff like that. So let me know down below, is this something that you tried? What are your thoughts on it? What kind of skin type do you have that could help somebody down below? And are you going to pick it up? I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed already, what you waiting for? Hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.